How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. So if you want to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, go with report a problem, and after that go with live section. Under live, you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing hosting live, and again choose any option. Go with no, tap on need more help, and it will take you to the TikTok help desk or the report a problem page, from where you can simply send a message or report the problem. So you just need to simply write that I'm not being able to have the live wallpaper on my TikTok. It's not supported. So please fix that problem as soon as possible. And once you've written that, you can simply send. And after that, TikTok will resolve your issue. So that's how you can fix your live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.